12.
12.
12.
Getränke.
Beverages.
Beverages.
Ich trinke Tee.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
Ich trinke Kaffee.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Ich trinke Mineralwasser.
I drink mineral water.
I drink mineral water.
Trinkst du Tee mit Zitrone?
Do you drink tea with lemon?
Do you drink tea with lemon?
Trinkst du Kaffee mit Zucker?
Do you drink coffee with sugar?
Do you drink coffee with sugar?
Trinkst du Wasser mit Eis?
Do you drink water with ice?
Do you drink water with ice?
Hier ist eine Party.
There is a party here.
There is a party here.
Die Leute trinken Sekt.
People are drinking champagne.
People are drinking champagne.
Die Leute trinken Wein und Bier.
People are drinking wine and beer.
People are drinking wine and beer.
Trinkst du Alkohol?
Do you drink alcohol?
Do you drink alcohol?
Trinkst du Whisky?
Do you drink whiskey?
Do you drink whisky?
Trinkst du Cola mit Rum?
Do you drink Coke with rum?
Do you drink Coke with rum?
Ich mag keinen Sekt.
I do not like champagne.
I do not like champagne.
Ich mag keinen Wein.
I do not like wine.
I do not like wine.
Ich mag kein Bier.
I do not like beer.
I do not like beer.
Das Baby mag Milch.
The baby likes milk.
The baby likes milk.
Das Kind mag Kakao und Apfelsaft.
The child likes cocoa and apple juice.
The child likes cocoa and apple juice.
Die Frau mag Orangensaft und Grapefruitsaft.
The woman likes orange and grapefruit juice.
The woman likes orange and grapefruit juice.